Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Baseus cable, it's a Cafule cable, and the box looks like this. You can check your model if you're interested, and here's a model name. So we're gonna check if this cable supports the ultra-fast 120 watts of charging. And to do this I also brought this 120 watts charger, and I'll be plugging it into the Xiaomi 12T, which also supports the ultra fast charging. And now let's try plugging it in, and we're gonna see. So it started charging, but there's no sign of any ultra fast charging, and that would mean this cable doesn't support it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.